PIC. This is trading at a little bit higher. I think it is down today a little bit, but this has to do with, the economy saving fuel. I kind of like to call it an EV play because the EV market has seen a substantial increase in volume and growth over the last, 6 to 8 months. We've seen NIO, we've seen Fisker, Tesla, all these different types of EV companies really see growth in their share price. So this one now is also a SPAC play going into a merger, and it's called XL Fleet. So XL Fleet, they've been around since like 2012. I guess you can still consider it a startup, but it is $1 billion startup. Financials look great. And what I mean by that is coming up here for the next couple years, they've given great guidance on kind of the projection of where they'll be. And I mean, we're talking about a 400 to 500% increase in revenue. And by 2023, they're looking at already $1 billion in revenue. Now, not right now, there's no material debt. Financials are great. They're seeing now a revenue increase from 100% from 2019 to 2020, and they project a 200% revenue increase from 2020 to 2021. They have big clients in FedEx, Pepsi, Verizon, Coca-Cola. You got Harvard and Yale also. And I mean, if you look at, where they're going as far as their sales and installations, everything's increased. And they continue to give good PR, great guidance on where they're going. And like I mentioned before, they're already in the industry. They have a product, they have sales, they have revenue. And you have to look at that compared to other SPAC plays that don't. And I have to emphasize that because we've seen many SPAC plays run so much, 200, 300, 400%, and there's no revenue there. There's really nothing. I mean, they have prototypes or just a digital visual of what maybe we could expect with that company. This is real. Time Magazine voted them like 2019, one of their inventions of the year. And, September, they announced the potential merger. So the vote is coming up. People are anticipating it. And right now, I think anywhere in this 1350 to 15 range, I think is appropriate. It did run to 1819 based on some, a little bit of fundamental news, but this is another big SPAC play that I'm in. And once again, it has a physical product. So that gives me more comfort making in my decisions.